Okay, this is a centerpiece for a steering wheel.
Okay.
And it locks in here on springs.
Here, I'll get on the other side so you can point it out. Okay, what are we looking at here?
Once that centerpiece is pushed in there,
yeah,
it locks on springs.
Okay.
And they can't take it off. You can't pry underneath there. You have to take screws out of this.
Okay.
And reach in behind there and take in behind here and this undo the lock, see?
Okay, so you're waiting for the last second before you have to plug that in, or what?
This kind of idiot proofs it.
Okay.
So if it comes back and this is all smashed up and whatnot, I know they've been playing with the electronic part.
Okay.
Eh?
So we did a walkthrough the other day. What have you got? Obviously, this is new. Put that in. You put in the bracket.
Yeah, all this is done.
Okay, and you've been doing some painting here.
Well, I'm just masking this off because I'm going to paint this part black.
Okay.
So it's trimmed.
Okay.
I put this on. That's a backing plate so the snow can't get in there.
And that's reinforced, I see there.
Yeah, this is all reinforced. Other than that, I haven't got too much done in the last couple of days.
Lots of visitors?
Well, other projects too.
Yeah, okay. So you've got nothing in the back here? What's the status of pulling out the old transmission or engine, or you already...
I haven't got anything done here. Like I said last time we were talking, I got to cut all this out.
Oh, yeah, right. And they welded everything in there, so it's a difficult job.
You see here how they put that pipe through? That's the water line.
The water line?
Yeah, so I'm going to cut that off.
Okay.
And just run hose in instead.
Okay.
Other than that, I haven't got too much done.
Okay, well, you know.
That's it.
Nobody's supposed to rush you in your retirement, right? Dad's now 80, by the way, and he's being supervised by his 2 shop dogs and shop cat, so lots of company. Dad and I are going to start up the videos here again, so don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So, hey, what's your tip of the day there, Dad?
Just keep going steady.
Yeah.
Your health will be good. Have the odd cigarette and 1 drink of whiskey a day. Quitting time.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.